Do you want to travel like a millionaire on a shoestring budget? There's no better place to start than when you arrive at the airport itself. Say goodbye to cramped seats and overpriced sandwiches. We're diving into the world of Priority Pass. This is going to be like your ticket to VIP treatment without breaking the bank. Want to see some airport magic? Basically, Priority Pass lets you hang out in airport lounges and use other fancy services. It's gotten pretty big over the years. Now it's a major player in making travel less of a hassle. But what exactly is it? Simply put, it's your ticket to airport serenity. We're talking about access to over 1,300 lounges spread across more than 600 cities in 145 countries. And they're not stopping there. New locations are added all the time. Here's where it gets pretty exciting. Priority Pass isn't just about lounges anymore. They've upped their game, offering a bunch of different perks. Want a pre-flight massage? Check. Craving a gourmet meal? They've got you covered. How about a power nap in a sleep pod? Yup, that too. Let's break it down. With Priority Pass, you can access airport lounges with comfy seating, free Wi-Fi and refreshments, restaurant credits at select airport eateries, minute suites for some shut-eye or quiet work time, gaming lounges for entertainment between flights. It's like someone coming along and handing you a VIP pass to the entire airport. So whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, Priority Pass aims to transform your airport experience from dreadful to delightful. But here's the kicker. All these perks come at different price points. Priority Pass offers different membership tiers, each with its own set of benefits, from pay-per-visit options to unlimited access, depending on what exactly you're looking for. So next time you're facing a long layover or delay, remember, with Priority Pass, the airport can be more than just a waypoint. It can be a destination in itself. All right, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of Priority Pass memberships. They offer 3 flavors of luxury, each with its own price tag and perks. It's like choosing between economy, business, and first class, but for the whole airport. First up, we've got the standard membership. It's the entry-level option, priced at a wallet-friendly $99 per year. Sounds great, right? Well, here's the catch. You'll pay $35 for each lounge visit. It's perfect for the occasional traveler who likes a taste of luxury now and then. Think of it as dipping your toes in the priority pool. Next in line is the Standard Plus membership. At $329 annually, it's the middle child of the Priority Pass family. With this option, you get 10 free visits per year. After that, it's back to $35 per visit. It's ideal for the regular traveler who can count their lounge visits on 2 hands. Finally, we have the cream of the crop, the Prestige membership. For $469 a year, you get unlimited free visits. It's the all-you-can-lounge buffet of airport luxury. Frequent flyers, this one's got your name written all over it. But there's more. Each membership allows you to bring guests, usually at around $35 per person. Some lounges might have different guest policies, so always check before you invite your entire travel group. Now let's get into the strategy. How do you choose which one is best for you? It's all about crunching the numbers. If you visit lounges more than 14 times a year, the Prestige membership starts to pay for itself. Travel less? Standard Plus might be your sweet spot. Here's a pro tip. Sometimes it's cheaper to upgrade your membership than pay for individual visits. Do the math before your next trip. Your wallet and your travel companions are going to thank you. Remember, these prices and terms are current as of 2024, but can change. Always check the official Priority Pass website for the most up-to-date information. Now let's talk about the real hack. Getting Priority Pass without breaking the bank on your way there. Enter the world of credit card perks. Some premium credit cards offer Priority Pass Select membership as a complimentary benefit. It's like finding a golden ticket in your wallet. First up, the heavyweight champion, the American Express Platinum Card. It offers unlimited Priority Pass lounge access for you and 2 guests. The annual fee is steep at $695, but the perks are juicy. We're talking lounge access, hotel status, airline credits, and more. If you're a frequent traveler, this card can pay for itself. Next contender, the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Also offering unlimited visits and guest privileges, this card has a $550 annual fee. The Capital One Venture X is the new kid on the block. It matches the lounge access of the big players, but often with a lower annual fee of $395. Plus, you get travel credits and bonus miles that can offset the cost. For the hotel lovers, there's the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card. It comes with unlimited Priority Pass access and a host of hotel perks. The $650 annual fee might seem steep, but if you're a Marriott loyalist, it could be worth every penny. Now let's talk about some less-known options. The U.S. Bank Altitude Reserve Visa Infinite card offers 4 free Priority Pass visits per year. It's a good option if you're an occasional traveler. But remember, all these cards come with some pretty heavy annual fees. Do your homework. Make sure the benefits outweigh the costs for your travel style. Consider factors like how often you're going to travel. Are you going to make use of some of the other perks they offer? Can you meet the minimum spend requirements for sign-up bonuses? Here's a pro tip. Some cards allow you to add authorized users who get their own Priority Pass membership. It's like multiplying your benefits for a fraction of the cost. Lastly, keep an eye out for credit card promotions. Sometimes you can bag a hefty sign-up bonus that more than covers the annual fee for the first year. Remember, the credit card landscape is always changing. What's true today might not be tomorrow. Always check the current offers before applying. Your perfect Priority Pass solution is out there. Happy hunting! All right, you've got your Priority Pass. Now let's squeeze every drop of luxury from that membership. It's time to transform from a travel newbie to an airport VIP. First rule of Priority Pass Club: always check for lounges. Even smaller airports might surprise you. Pull up the Priority Pass app. More on that later. And scope out your options. Sometimes the best-kept secrets are in the least expected places. Next up, let's talk about those juicy restaurant credits. Some airports offer up to $28 per person at select restaurants. That's a gourmet meal on the house. But here's the catch. Not all Priority Pass memberships include restaurant access. Check your benefits carefully. If you've got it, flaunt it. Order that fancy burger and artisanal cocktail. You're living the high life now. Come on. Don't forget about those relaxing spa treatments. Nothing says luxury like a pre-flight massage. Some locations offer complimentary treatments or hefty discounts. Imagine stepping onto your flight relaxed and refreshed. It's like starting your vacation before you even leave the ground. Traveling with friends or family? Many memberships let you bring guests. Some cards even allow unlimited guests. Looking at you, Ritz-Carlton card holders. Just check the terms first. You don't want to be that person at the lounge door frantically calculating guest fees. Pro tip: if you have a long layover, lounge hop. Why stick to one lounge when you can sample several? It's like a luxury buffet and you've got an all-you-can-eat pass. Now, let's talk about timing. Many lounges have time limits, usually around 3 hours before your flight. Plan accordingly. If you've got a long layover, consider splitting your time between lounges and exploring the airport. For the digital nomads out there, prioritize lounges with good workspaces. Some offer private meeting rooms or quiet zones. It's like having your own airport office. Don't overlook the shower facilities. Long layover, international flight, a quick shower can be a game changer. Pack a small toiletry kit in your carry-on. Future you will be grateful. Lastly, always check the extra perks. Some lounges offer unique experiences: wine tasting, local cuisine, or even airfield views. It's these little touches that turn a good travel day into a great one. Remember, maximizing your Priority Pass is like an art form. It takes practice and a bit of strategy. But with these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a lounge legend. Happy travels, and may your layovers be luxurious. When you first start to navigate the world of Priority Pass lounges, you're going to feel like being a kid in a candy store. Exciting, but potentially overwhelming. Let's break it down and turn you into a lounge hopping pro. First things first, download the Priority Pass app. It's your new best friend. This nifty tool has maps, reviews, and even digital membership cards. No more fumbling for that physical card. Plus, it's updated regularly with new lounges and features. It's like having a personal lounge concierge in your pocket. Also, book in advance when you can. Some lounges let you reserve a spot. It's like having a fast pass at a theme park. This feature is especially handy during peak travel times. Nothing's worse than being turned away from a full lounge. But beware, not all lounges are created equal. Some have time limits, others restrict access during peak hours. Always check the rules before you go. The app usually has this info, but when in doubt, call ahead. There's nothing worse than planning your whole layover around a lounge visit only to be turned away at the door. Timing is everything in the lounge game. During holidays and peak travel seasons, lounges can get packed. Have a backup plan, or better yet, arrive early to beat the crowds. Some lounges even have real-time capacity indicators in the app. Use them. Now, let's talk about lounge etiquette. Yes, it's a thing. Don't be that person hogging the buffet or talking loudly on your phone. Lounges are shared spaces. Treat them and your fellow travelers how you'd want to be. Here's a secret. Some of the best lounges aren't even called lounges. Look out for things like minute suites or airport spas. These can offer a more unique experience than your standard lounge. Lastly, don't be afraid to give feedback. Rate lounges in the app. This helps other travelers and can lead to improvements. Plus, Priority Pass sometimes offers perks for active users. Remember, lounge access is what you make of it. With a bit of planning and the right attitude, you can turn any layover into a mini vacation. Now go forth and lounge like a pro. Hold on to your seats, folks. Priority Pass has some hidden gems that'll make your jaw drop. These lesser-known perks are like finding an extra fry at the bottom of the bag. Unexpected and delightful. Ever heard of minute suites? They're like tiny hotels inside the airport. Catch some Z's, finish that presentation, or just enjoy some peace and quiet. You get an hour free with Priority Pass. It's perfect for long layovers or delayed flights. Think of it as your own private airport oasis. For the gamers out there, check out the gaming lounges. Dubai International Airport has a free gaming heaven waiting for you. It's like stepping into an arcade, but classier. Challenge your travel buddy to a quick match before your flight. Who said airports have to be boring? Some airports even offer sleep pods. Talk about sleeping in style. It's like having a mini hotel room right in the terminal. Perfect for those red-eye layovers when you need some serious shut-eye. But wait, there's more. How about a pre-flight workout? Some airports have gyms accessible through Priority Pass. Burn off those plane snacks or stretch out after a long flight. It's a game changer for frequent travelers. Let's turbocharge your travel game with some budget-friendly luxury tips. It's time to travel like a VIP without the VIP price tag. First up, embrace the long layover. I know, it sounds crazy, but hear me out. A longer layover with lounge access can be cheaper than a direct flight. Next, consider booking flights with long connections on purpose. Sounds counterintuitive, right? But if you have lounge access, it can be a great way to explore multiple lounges in one trip. It's like a luxury airport crawl. Here's a pro move. Combine your Priority Pass with other travel hacks. Use airline miles for your flight, hotel points for your stay, and Priority Pass for your airport experience. It's the travel trifecta of savings. Lastly, always check for promotions. Priority Pass sometimes offers discounts on membership renewals or upgrades. It's like finding money in your old jacket pocket. Unexpected and delightful. Remember, Luxury travel on a budget is all about smart planning and creative thinking. With these tips and your Priority Pass, you're well on your way to becoming a budget luxury travel pro. Happy travels! Let's keep it real. Priority Pass isn't always smooth sailing, but don't worry. I've got your back. Let's tackle these hurdles head on. First up, crowded lounges. Sometimes it feels less exclusive club and more crowded cafe. The solution? Timing and research. Avoid peak hours if you can. Early mornings and late evenings are usually quieter. Check the Priority Pass app for real-time updates on lounge capacity. Some lounges even let you reserve a spot in advance. Be the early bird that catches the comfy lounge chair. Quality can vary too. One lounge might be a 5-star experience, another, not so much. Do your homework. Read reviews in the app. Fellow travelers are brutally honest. Use their experiences to your advantage. Watch out for limited hours or services. Nothing's worse than rushing to a lounge only to find it closed. Always double-check operating hours before you go. Some lounges close early or have restricted access during certain times. Guest policies can be tricky. Some lounges limit the number of guests or charge hefty fees. Always verify the guest policy before inviting your entire travel group. Lastly, be prepared for exclusions. Not all Priority Pass memberships are created equal. Some don't include restaurant credits or certain lounges. Know your benefits inside and out to avoid disappointment. Remember, forewarned is forearmed. With a little planning and flexibility, you can navigate these obstacles like a pro. Don't let these potential drawbacks dull your shine. You're still traveling in style. So there you have it, fellow travel hackers. You're now armed with the insider scoop on Priority Pass. Remember, it's not just about fancy lounges, it's your secret weapon for turning those dreaded layovers into mini adventures. Sure, you might hit a road bump or two like crowded lounges, but now you've got the tricks up your sleeve to glide over those bumps like a pro. Next time you're at the airport, strut past those packed gates with a knowing smile. Whether it's a pre-flight massage, a gourmet meal, or just a spot to recharge, you're in for a treat. Want to hear more about exclusive credit cards? Check out the 10 rarest credit cards you probably can't get.